So this job was a bit of a nightmare. It was to replace this 4x4 fence post that snapped off at the base, and then to dig it out and reset a new fence post. But I mean, the digging out was a bit of a nightmare because it adjoined a concrete perimeter which had tarmac one side, and then it had a sleeper that was holding back the garden very close to it, so it was very difficult to dig it out. But you know, all the sweeter once I set the new post in. So the next bit was going to be a wonderful speech that I made about how hard it is digging out posts and how difficult that post was, and how it was a great lesson in life. If you just keep on trying, you'll get there in the end, and it was a real big triumph. Great big speech. Anyway, unfortunately I filmed it in hyperlapse, so it came out like this. Well, it only goes to add weight that I need a cameraman.